Hey guys, it's Cynet Status, and today we are playing Space Engine. I am super excited to make a video on this. I just discovered this game, and it is very fun. I'm actually happy I'm recording this right now because it shows the longitude and latitude in case I ever need to find this wonderful planet again. I took plenty of pictures already, oops, but I just love how it looks. Wow, there's even an aurora. It is purple with black rings, or pink, or whatever. I think it's both purple and pink, to be honest. A little bit of white, too. I just think it looks really cool. It's my background now of my computer. And there's a ton of moons. But we are going to be leaving it today, sadly. This is the solar system that it's in. I don't know if you guys can see my cursor, by the way. We're going to be going to a different star today. So if you don't know this game, it's basically, you can go to anything that's in our solar system. So we could type in Earth, and then I don't want to go there myself. Let's just click Go To, and here's Earth. It will load in for a second, and you can see some cool things. You can see the lights, even though I don't think that's what it actually looks like. But you can speed up time too, so that you can see it rotating, and you can see it rotating around the sun. If you go really fast, oh, more like the sun rotating around it, because that's just the way that it looks, even though it's not the case. But yeah, you can basically go to anything in our solar system, but then past that, past things that are named by NASA or whatever, and there's more that have been named, but that's going to be in a later update. This is actually closed beta. You can't get it on Steam. It's on a website. And so basically for this is just our solar system, and everything here is pretty accurate, except for like Uranus doesn't have rings. I don't know why. I thought it had rings. Maybe it doesn't actually. But you can also go way outside of our solar system. Oops. Or anything like it. You can go millions of light years per second, and then these are not stars, these are all galaxies. So all of these are randomly generated. They're not actually real galaxies, or some of them may be real galaxies, but the stars in them are not, and planets. And you can find a ton of different things. You can find black holes, comets in here, and I found some pretty cool black holes with and without the plate, whatever it's called, forgot. Anyways, let's just go to a random galaxy. I'm looking at this one. Let's click on it. Oh, it just loaded in. Ooh, it looks pretty cool from out here. Okay, let's click on it. Type SBC, don't know what that means. And alright, let's go to the center, because that's where there's going to be the most cool things. And we are here. So, now each of these are stars, supposedly. Yeah, this is a red giant. So, let's slow down and get to it. Kind of hard to navigate to things sometimes. Alright, so this is a red giant. Right, that's something our sun will turn into eventually, but it could be, no, it's not binary. Binary is like two stars together. So this is its solar system. It's randomly generated. I usually like the planets with rings or with life, because they look cool, and it's like accurate generations too. Let's go to, I think this one looks pretty cool. I mean, it could look better, more colorful, you know. It's a hot gas giant. Oops. And it has 55 moons, as you can see in here. If you guys can see my cursor, I do not know if you can. And hold on while I navigate here. Here it is. This one's pretty cool, because the color of the planet is the same as the rings, which makes it look a bit better. It looks quite a lot like Jupiter with that storm right there. And you can actually, yeah, you can go on the planets too. By the way, this is free. So you can get this for free if you want to. And you can look at the rings, the moons. Yeah, you can go to the surface. Even though it's a giant, you won't be able to actually get to a real surface. You can still go to the top. But on a rocky planet, you are able to go to the surface. And you can go onto the moons too. So this one is a hot desert, which means there's a real surface. There's even an aurora. And I am at the surface right now, but it's in the dark because it's not pointed at the sun or a reflecting light source. Okay, so here is the real surface, and it loads in. And yeah, wow, this looks really cool. There's the star, there's... well, I can't find... there's the planet. And you can see its rings, kind of. There's more moons. Moons. Well, I'm looking at a moon, that's pretty cool. And what else is on the surface? Anything cool? Maybe some volcanoes. You can find volcanoes and wavy surfaces if you go... there's no wavy surfaces really there. It's just kind of rocky. Yeah, it's pretty flat now. Okay, let's go... It's already been 6 minutes? Wow, this is so fun that it's just flying by. Let's go find a black hole now. So, what I like to do to find black holes is go to the center of a concentrated area. Ooh, this is actually... if we go far out and then click on... this is... we are not inside the galaxy then. Okay, so let's go inside the galaxy to the middle. And here's a cluster. Let's click on the cluster. Type globular. Where to go? Oh, I'm in it. Okay. So now we go to here. I hope there's actually black holes in it and that they have an accretion disk. Okay. Filter settings. Black hole. Black hole. Because this will make sure that there's big black holes because they have planets rotating around them, because that's what we want. Okay, 10 light years is not enough. Do 100, search. Okay, found that many. Let's go to this one, see if it has an accretion disk. Does not, but still looks pretty cool. They always do. Let's see if I can get a cool screenshot here, because I've been making a lot of wallpapers. So that's something that this game is useful for. I'm gonna make it like diagonal like that, so that like it's easier to forgive if it's not right in the center. And screenshot. Okay. So black holes are interesting. Let's see if we can get this lined up to that cluster. That would look cool. Not that great. Let's go to another black hole. Oh! Does have an accretion disk. That's dope. Yeah, they spin very fast. Even though this is 1x speed, that is how fast it is spinning. But if you slow it down a lot, this is what it looks like. And if you go down here, it looks more like a planet with rings. So let's see if I can get another good... because these ones with accretion disks, they look really cool on... screenshots. So let's try to line it up with that galaxy, and then let's go down a bit. I need to go up. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, that's not... Alright, let's screenshot that. F11. Cool. We can also like go a bit close like here. Screenshot that. And yeah, let's speed it up because it looks pretty cool when you speed it up. Like, let's go to 1x time scale. That's pretty dope. Wow, that's like confusing to the eye. I can't believe something would actually spin that fast. Just in normal time, because these particles are probably going, or photons, whatever they are, probably going Faster than the speed of light, is my guess. Well, I don't know. Probably the speed of light. Okay, anyways, I don't know much about space. Just saying, this is just a fun game. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I can't make this video too long so that it actually uploads and encodes. This is a weird looking galaxy. It looks like a fish head. Yeah, it does look like a fish head. Look, it has an eye and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you guys will want to get this game, look it up, and look how to download it. It's kind of complicated to download, in my opinion. There's just like some glitches that may happen. I wonder what this is. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.